Prakash here with another video. I'm very happy to see your smiling faces there. Come on, let's go into the video. Before I say what's the topic. The topic is actually what's cloud service, like actually in other countries that rather than India, people use it not that effectively. In India, there are people who don't use it at all. They don't know what is it, and so I thought I will make a video. So here I am. Let's go into the video. So what's cloud service? As you all know, it's a service. I mean, if you don't know, then only you are watching this video, actually, probably. So what's it? The cloud service is something like a storage device for you, a personal storage device. Actually, if you sign in for it, it gives you 5 GB free data for you to use it, like you to store 5 GB data for free. So actually I don't prefer to buy the extra GB for it, like 5 GB is free. After that it takes money. So I don't prefer that because it's very costly. B, I don't want extra, like I can buy a hard disk out of it if actually I am going to afford a storage. So I will buy it rather in a hard disk because it will stay with me, because I will have to like spend the net also to get the files back, or I have to upload it also. I have to like use the net, so I don't prefer it. Okay, so that's it. I don't prefer it. Okay, so the people who are asking should I use it or not, because see, I use it like I'm not paying for it. Like I have signed in with 2 accounts, like one is Google Drives and one is Microsoft Dropbox. So what I do is like I use the free service for the Dropbox also. I use this free service for the Google Drive also. So I use the free services like 5 GB each of them, and I simply don't pay attention for the like for buying extra GB, because I don't want it. And people who are suffering from this, like they are taking many photos and all, they are carrying many songs with them. So you can use the cloud service, because it's like you have the space in your memory card, but you are spending it on there. Because if you take your memory card space and you buy another one memory card, it's very hectic. So we can use like 12 GB out of it. I make 12 GB, like 6 GB from the drive and 6 GB from the Dropbox. I think 6 or 5, I don't know. So I can like use it for that. So and Google Photos are also like that only. That is also a drive system only, cloud system only. It backs it up, like if you delete it from your phone also, it's there in the cloud and you can retrieve it. So it's also like a cloud system. So people are not aware of cloud systems and they are not using it. They are buying external drives and all for small small GBs, because like 10 GB and 12 GB, if they transferred into another thing, they will be like free space, they will have free space. So I prefer actually cloud drive. Okay, you know everything about cloud system now. And I forgot to say something, like it takes ton of electricity, because like if you charge up like with 200 houses taking x amount of electricity, that amount of electricity it takes for like 100 GB, I mean 100 TB, 200 TB also, like it takes. So it is very hectic, like it is not actually taking for that for running the hard disks. It is taking for AC, because air conditioner is very important for them, because yeah, as everybody knows, hardware if it is get warmed, it does not perform well. So people actually give it very good AC treatment. So people are actually thinking like Microsoft drop box thinks like we should go into the water, and Google Drive thinks we should go to the Atlantis for like ice area, so we don't have to use much of electricity for the cooling purpose. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, like it, give the share button a click, and subscribe to my channel, I mean our channel. Okay, you are in the family. Tada, bye bye, see you, peace.